So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Friday the 15th of June. Now let's just have a look at prices, where prices may likely go. So previously we've had a price come down towards the 200 period moving average, this dynamic level of potential support. We found support in around that 200 period moving average, and we've seen this move back up towards that 110.73. Trade slightly above the 110.73 into the 110.80s, possibly the 90s. Didn't quite have a test of that 111 level, from which we have seen the sell side momentum come into the market from just above the 10.73. So if we do see that momentum follow through to the downside, we're looking for a test of that 110.20. Previously an area we found resistance and support more recently. Look to see if we do find support around that 110.20 for a move possibly back up towards that 10.73. Successful break from which we're looking for a move up towards that 111. And if we do see sufficient volatility to the upside, 111.60 may come into focus. If, however, we're not able to find support at the 110.20, we'll look to see if we do find support in around that 110, where we do have the added support of the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that level. Failing to hold support at that 110, however, possibly looking for a move back down towards that 109.50. Don't anticipate prices heading below the 109.50 down towards that 108.80 here today on Friday the 15th of June. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing on the US dollar against Japanese yen. Get the scale on here correct. And as we can see here, we've had the rejection from the 1140s, slightly above the 400 period moving average. Sharp sell off all the way down towards a 108.13 for a pretty much perfect test. Had a move up towards a 110.20 without a confluence of 200 period moving average on the daily chart. Had a brief pullback from there, posted a higher low relative to the previous lows. We've had the momentum return to the market, bullish buy side momentum. We are counting some resistance around that 110.73 at present. So we'll look to see if we do have a retracement back down towards 120. Before having another test of that 10.73, that 111, before testing our highs of 2018 so far in around that 111.40 or so here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Overall, well, I shouldn't say overall, but more recently we do appear to have a low, a higher low. So prices do indicate that there is still a slight trend here to the upside on the US dollar against Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.